So I have a very simple shape here in Illustrator. So to add a drop shadow to this, I'm going to select it with direct selection, and then I'm going to go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow. My little panel will appear then, and you can see now I've got my preview turned on, so any changes I make here, I can see what it would look like on the screen. So the beauty of this now is you can change opacity depending on the strength of the shadow. You can also change the width of the x-axis and the y-axis depending on what you're trying to achieve. Let's bring this opacity up a little bit so we can see it. And also we can make the shadow blurred or less blurred depending on what we're trying to achieve, as you can see here. And then I can also change the color here. If I don't want it to be black, I can add like a lighter color, or I can change that back then to a darker color for a shadow, and then press OK. So once you're happy with the shadow, that will kind of follow the shape round as such. If you want to make changes to the shadow, you want to go to your Appearance panel. Now, if you can't find this here, go to Window, Appearance. And the beauty of this is then, this keeps a track of all effects that you've applied to the shape. So what you can do here is scroll down. You'll see I've got my drop shadow here. Now, if I select this, I can either delete it, I can hide it, or if I double click it, I can bring that back up. So now I can make changes accordingly. As such, if I want to make it more blurred, less blurred, change the style, the color, anything I want, I can change all that from the Appearance panel. Press OK, hide that, and then I've got my shadow there. So there you have it. There's a very, very simple way to add drop shadows to artwork in Illustrator. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you got what you needed from it. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know of future tutorials you'd like me to do. And I will see you next time for the next tutorial.